Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the luxurious and powerful 2024 BMW X7. Buckle up as we take you on an in-depth tour of this ultimate driving machine. The first thing that catches your eye is the iconic BMW kidney grille, now larger and more imposing than ever. This bold statement is complemented by sleek, adaptive LED headlights that provide excellent visibility in all conditions, ensuring both safety and style. From the side, you'll notice the X7's elegant lines and muscular stance, which give it a dynamic and sophisticated look. The 22-inch alloy wheels not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to a commanding presence on the road. With the new color options for 2024, including the stunning Tanzanite Blue 2 Metallic, this SUV is sure to turn heads wherever it goes, making a striking impression. At the rear, the X7 features redesigned taillights that are slimmer and more refined, adding a touch of modern elegance. The dual exhaust pipes and a subtle spoiler give it a sporty edge, perfectly blending luxury with performance in this impressive vehicle. Step inside the BMW X7, and you're greeted with a world of luxury and sophistication. The cabin is crafted with the finest materials, including premium leather, fine wood trims, and metal accents, creating an ambiance of elegance and comfort. The X7 offers seating for up to 7 passengers, with the optional second-row captain's chairs enhancing the experience. These seats are not only incredibly comfortable, but also feature heating, ventilation, and massage functions, ensuring a relaxing journey. The driver and front passenger seats are adjustable in 20 different ways, ensuring the perfect driving position for everyone, regardless of their size or preference. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 14.9-inch central touchscreen. The latest iDrive 8.0 system provides seamless integration with your smartphone, navigation, and a host of other features, making every drive more convenient and connected. Plus, the voice-activated BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant is always ready to assist you, adding an extra layer of convenience and safety. Under the hood, the 2024 X7 offers a range of powerful engine options tailored to meet diverse driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a 3.0-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine, producing 335 horsepower and 330 lb-ft of torque, delivering robust performance and efficiency. For those seeking a higher level of power, the 4.4-liter V8 engine is available, offering an impressive 523 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque, ensuring exhilarating acceleration and dynamic driving capabilities. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. This combination ensures smooth and responsive performance, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough terrain, providing versatility and reliability in various driving conditions. The X7's adaptive air suspension and advanced chassis technology provide a comfortable and composed ride, even on the most challenging roads. The SUV's precise steering and well-balanced handling make it surprisingly agile for its size, enhancing the overall driving experience with a perfect blend of power and refinement. The 2024 BMW X7 is packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance your driving experience. The new iDrive 8.0 system is more intuitive than ever, offering seamless connectivity and a customizable interface, ensuring that all your entertainment, navigation, and communication needs are met effortlessly. The advanced head-up display projects important information directly onto the windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road while accessing vital data such as speed, navigation directions, and safety alerts. Safety is a top priority for BMW, and the X7 is no exception. The SUV comes with an array of driver assistance features designed to protect you and your passengers. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. The new intersection assist system is particularly useful, helping you navigate busy intersections with ease and reducing the risk of collisions. Parking this large SUV is made simple with the advanced parking assist system, which includes a 360-degree camera and automated parking capabilities. Despite its luxurious appointments, the X7 is also incredibly practical. The split folding rear seats provide ample cargo space, making it easy to transport everything from groceries to sports equipment. There are plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin, ensuring that all your essentials are within easy reach. The hands-free power tailgate adds convenience, allowing you to access the cargo area with a simple wave of your foot. The X7 is also a capable towing vehicle, with a towing capacity of up to 7,500 pounds. Driving the BMW X7 is an exhilarating experience. The powerful engines deliver smooth acceleration, while the advanced suspension system ensures a comfortable ride. The X-Drive all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability, giving you confidence in all weather conditions. The X7 offers multiple driving modes, including Comfort, Sport, and EcoPro, allowing you to tailor the driving experience to your preferences. The adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist make long highway drives more relaxing, while the active steering system enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back, the X7 provides a serene and enjoyable ride. The BMW X7 isn't just about luxury and on-road performance, it's also a capable off-road vehicle. The X Off-Road package includes features like adjustable ride height, off-road driving modes, and a rear-locking differential, allowing you to tackle rugged terrain with ease. The hill descent control system helps you maintain a steady speed on steep descents, while the underbody protection shields vital components from damage. Whether you're exploring mountain trails or navigating muddy paths, the X7 is up for the challenge. With its robust construction and advanced off-road technology, the X7 can handle the toughest conditions. The SUV's impressive ground clearance and water-fording capabilities ensure that you can go wherever your adventures take you. BMW is committed to sustainability, and the 2024 X7 reflects this commitment. The SUV is equipped with a mild hybrid system that enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. The intelligent start-stop system shuts off the engine when idling, saving fuel and reducing your carbon footprint. Inside the cabin, BMW uses eco-friendly materials, including sustainably sourced wood and recycled plastics. The X7's efficient engines and advanced aerodynamics contribute to its impressive fuel economy, making it a more environmentally friendly choice in the luxury SUV segment. The SUV's efficient powertrain ensures that you can enjoy a luxurious ride without compromising on efficiency. The 2024 BMW X7 is a masterclass in luxury, performance, and versatility. Whether you're cruising on the highway, tackling off-road trails, or navigating city streets, this SUV delivers an unparalleled driving experience. With its powerful engines, advanced technology, and luxurious interior, the X7 is the perfect choice for those who demand the best. If you're in the market for a premium SUV that offers everything you could want and more, the 2024 BMW X7 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the 2024 BMW X7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the latest automotive releases. Until next time, happy driving!